Hello friends! For today's RDW problem, you need your math journal and you need to get your problem of the day paper. Glue your problem on a new piece of paper. Pause the video to do so now. Give yourself a thumbs up if your paper is glued down. Great! Let's go ahead and start with R, read. Bailey caught 7 ladybugs and put them in a jar. Then she caught 2 more and put them in the jar. How many ladybugs does she have now? Let's think about this. The problem is telling us she has 7 ladybugs, and then she caught 2 more ladybugs. It's asking us how many does she have now? So we're going to work on our math drawing to answer that question. When you work on your math drawing, you need to have it in 5 groups. That means rows of 5. Pause the video to draw your ladybugs. Now you're ready for W. You're going to write the number sentence that shows how you solved the problem. Pause the video to write your number sentence. Great work, friends! Do you want a challenge? If you would love a challenge, then you're going to work on the last W. You're going to write a statement. That means you're going to answer this question in a sentence. How many ladybugs does she have now? She has blank ladybugs. That's only if you want a challenge. So if you want to accept the challenge, pause your video now. When you're done with your journal, you need to make a video on Seesaw showing us your math drawings and telling us how you solved the problem.